We are back again. I'm here to talk about biology practicals. So for biology practicals, we have two items, and those items, they are all compulsory. Item 1, in biology we have dissection, and there is dissection of a rat. However, dissection was incorporated with microscopy. You have to understand the concept of microscopy. Then you also need to understand the concept of dissection. You need to know how are we the concept of dissection, the procedures. Now when you are dissecting, you have to give us the procedures for dissection. Yes, those procedures, they earn a lot of marks. As you know, when you are dissecting a rat, you know the procedures you follow, whereby you need to give us each and everything. After, then you give us a drawing according to what the scenario will be telling you. However, sometimes they bring for you the reference, like where to refer, like a table, like a toad. They can bring for you the hind leg. They can bring for you the stomach, and you need to measure. Sometimes when you are measuring, you measure in millimeters. Yeah, so you need to understand that concept. For item 2, item 2 is all about this thing of physiology, physiological processes, whereby we have osmosis, we have food test, we have diffusion. So that one involves writing a scientific report. Yeah, you need to know how to write a scientific report, whereby in the scientific report it is as the same as the one for O level. You have to give us the aim, you have to give us the hypothesis. However, in your hypothesis, you have to explain a bit. In other words, in your hypothesis, even though you are predicting, you have to give us the science behind your hypothesis. Then you have to give us the variables. Of course, the variables, there are three. We have the independent, we have the dependent, we also have the controlled variables. You know them. Then you need to give us the risks and mitigation. Yeah, there must be two risks and the mitigation. Each risk you have to mitigate. Then you have to give us the errors. In whatever you are doing, you have to give us the errors. There is a difference between a risk and an error. I'll come back and talk about it.